Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today this is a video for Animal Jam. Now, we have the non-members have an animal for every land, except flying animal. Why is that exactly? I mean, can't you at least make one flying animal for non-members? We have so many that aren't that are for members. No flying animals at all. Please, Animal Jam, fix this. I really want a flying animal, but I'm not getting a stupid membership. No offense. To get a animal. The only time I'm gonna be getting a membership is when I actually have money. And that would probably be for a couple of months, but I don't know. But seriously, please, Animal Jam, fix this. I really want a flying animal so badly. Please and thank you. My name is Otaka Gamer, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.